What's up, my friends on YouTube? Well, we're out here again today, and what we're going to do today now, we're going to do some drop line fishing. We're going to do a little bit of trolling, you know, but we're going out today to mainly to do some drop line, you know. I don't know what we're going to catch today, so hoping that we'll catch some snappers and some yellowfin croakers and all of those type of fish, you know. Maybe we might hook up 2 kingfish when we're going out, when we're doing a little bit of trolling. But yeah, see, we set up the rod there now. And as usual, that one on the side here trolling, that one is the seafood man rod. See him over there, so watch him.
Every time.
Yeah. And the middle one now, that is what we're going to use and set, you know, to see if we can catch snappers or stuff. There's some more rods right there. Yeah, that one and that one. See that? Full of rods today, you know. And look, some more over here. See that? A lot of rods today. So you know, we plan for them today, you know. Yeah, see a bird right there, so. Yeah, I'm catching the bait. Yeah, but yeah, the weatherman said we might get some rain and a lot of breeze today, so we're going out to see what we can, see if we can beat the breeze and the rain, you know. So we're just cruising out. Want to look nice so far. So hoping to catch in the action, alright?
Yeah. Yeah.
But we're doing some drop line fishing, you know, watch here. Man, catch a nice lane snapper there, you know, look there.
Nice.
Why the man who came up so fast that I could even show you when him fighting the fish.
Big.
But as usual, the seafood man, you know, see him there? Nice snapper. How much you measure? Measure him up on that, let me see.
10 snapper. 12 inch.
12 inches.
12
wow,
inches.
That's a nice one, man.
12 inches.
That means we can keep him then, you know?
Yeah, he's a keeper.
Yeah. Because guess what? In the States, they keep 8 inches, I think, you know? Yeah.
He's 12.
This is lane. So, nice fish.
We'll do some surgery upon him now.
The seafood man, but boy, the judge out here working now, so the judge are there. Try not to go down in the channel, you know. But maybe going down to near the edge, but
We don't swallow it, we don't.
yeah, so I'm seeing there. Mr. Lane.
12 inches.
Seafood man, you know. So you see we do the snapper fishing, alright? So get back in the action again.
Croaker.
Like seafood man hook up something, you know.
Croaker.
What kind of fish that?
Croaker.
Oh, that's a croaker.
Yeah.
Yeah. See that? Man, catch him on a 9-pound hand line. Come on. Water kind of rolling, you know, kind of bouncy out here. Breeze blowing, but not blowing hard as yet. But sooner or later, it's going to come up. See there? Croaker. Nice size fish, that's another nice size fish. Gonna steam up that fish, you know, man. Tastes good. Watch it, man, swimming away. Alright. So that, man. Yeah, something hold on upon him a while ago. Oh, another one again, another croaker again. Okay. Sound like a bike engine, so man. So we're doing croaker fishing today. Alright, tell you. Croaker, yeah.
Same size.
Drop line fishing, boy, I tell you. The croaker man. Boy, you see my show off of them fish them.
Is them?
It's alright.
Croaker snapper.
Alright then. Well, getting windy now still, but what? They're not so bad still, you know? Just kind of windy. Yeah, so that's the riggings.
That's
So you put a running sinker. That's about how much ounce that? That's about half ounce.
3/4 ounce.
3/4 ounce, yeah. I put a little swivel right there and then you put the leader.
Lead.
Use a 15-pound leader because we're fishing for snapper, you know. The snapper kind of funny, you know, so you have to use a thinner line to get more strike on it, more bite. Alright.
That's it.
Alright. We're going to catch 2 more and get back to you, alright?